Hi ladies, I'm Maureen McGrath, a registered nurse and sexual health educator with a special interest in female sexuality for women at menopause and beyond. Welcome to my channel where we talk about sex, health, and relationships with honesty and evidence-based education. Today's video is all about how to use your Viva Donna to unleash your inner goddess. You want to use it safely, effectively, and pleasurably, and I'm going to show you how. We are also going to go over some essential vulvar anatomy, the clitoris, the vulva, the urethra, and vagina, so that you can better understand what each part does and how to unlock your full pleasure potential. Let's get to it. Now, I know you're excited about your new gift to yourself, self-care, right? But before you dive in, there's one very important thing that you need to do first, and that is fully charge your Viva Donna. When you first take your Viva Donna out of the box, it might actually have a bit of a charge, but don't rely on it. A full charge ensures the toy performs at its best and protects battery health over the long term. So here's how to charge your Viva Donna. Always use the USB charging cable that comes with your Viva Donna. Place the magnetic end of the charger onto the charging port on the toy. It will click into place. You'll want to then plug the USB end into a computer or a wall adapter. You'll see a small light indicating that the toy is charging. It will take about 2 hours for a full charge, but once charged, your Viva Donna will give you approximately 60 to 90 minutes of pleasure. That, of course, depends on the intensity level that you use, of course. And yes, I know many women don't read maps or instructions, myself included, but charging, that's one step that you don't want to skip. I'd like to begin with a little anatomy lesson. This is Queen V. She's my vulva puppet and your personal map to female pleasure. And yes, she's royalty because let's face it, the clitoris deserves a crown. Why? Because the clitoris is the primary female pleasure center, containing over 8,000 nerve endings, more than any other part of the human body. And the majority of its structure actually extends internally. Most women require clitoral stimulation to experience orgasm, and this is one of the most essential aspects of sexual health education that I emphasize to women in my clinical practice. The vulva includes everything external, the labia, the lips, the clitoris, the urethra, and the vaginal opening, which is called the introitus. The urethra is where you urinate or void. It's underneath the clitoris, and it's not involved in sex, although it might be sensitive. And the vagina is the internal canal, and that can be stimulated by an internal vibrator or a wand, for example. Now that your Viva Donna is powered up and ready to go, you know where everything is, let's talk about how it works. The Viva Donna is a dual stimulation device, meaning it has two actions for your pleasure, and it's made from non-toxic silicone, which is body safe and silky smooth. On one end, there is a vibrating wand that is used internally for G-spot stimulation. And on the other end, you have air pulse technology, which provides gentle rhythmic suction to your clitoris once you've inserted the wand. To turn your Viva Donna on, press and hold the top button on your device for 3 seconds. You will see a light indicating that it is on. Put a little water-based lube on the suction cup and on the wand end as well. Gently insert the vibrating wand end into your vagina, and the suction cup will rest over your clitoris. The device should create a seal without pressure or discomfort. Suction pulses mimic oral stimulation, enhancing arousal and sensitivity. You may feel a rhythmic fluttering sensation that intensifies blood flow and arousal. The bottom button starts the vibration of the wand. G-spot and clitoral stimulation may produce a very intense type of orgasm with enhanced arousal for you. In all honesty, it can be quite a trip. The intensity is increased or decreased by pressing the bottom button repeatedly. Continue to use the bottom button to cycle through the 9 different sequences of your Viva Donna. And to turn your Viva Donna off, press and hold the top button for about 3 seconds. Now for a little housekeeping, not our favorite thing to do, but you will want to clean your device before and after use with an unscented toy cleaner, just like this Viva Toy Clean Spray. Do not submerge your Viva Donna in water. Use only water-based lubricants to avoid damaging the silicone material. And you can store this device in this beautiful pink silky bag that comes with all Viva products. A condom can make cleanup easier and help prevent bacteria from spreading. Remember, every single body is different. All are beautiful. Some women may experience immediate orgasm, while others may need time to explore and get comfortable. It doesn't mean you're broken. These devices are meant to encourage exploration and enhancement. You can use your Viva Donna solo to understand your own arousal patterns, or with a partner to enhance intimacy, or use the Viva Donna therapeutically for conditions like anorgasmia, low libido, or after menopause, a time when orgasms may slow down or disappear altogether. Think of your Viva Donna as hormone-free hormone replacement with good vibes. So whether you're exploring externally or internally for an afternoon delight, or therapeutically, or both, the Viva Donna is here to help you feel more connected to your body, your pleasure, and your power. Might just help you sleep well and improve your mood as well. So just remember, charge it fully before first use. Clean it before and after use with Viva's Toy Clean Spray. And store your Viva Donna in the beautiful pink silky bag. And most importantly, have fun unleashing your inner goddess. Well, that's a wrap. If this video was helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and drop your questions or experiences below. I always love hearing from you. Until next time, stay curious, stay empowered, and never forget, your pleasure is your power. Thank you so much for tuning in. The pleasure has been mine, and it's soon to be yours. If you go to savvy-viva.com, that's savvy-viva.com to order your Viva Donna. I'm Maureen McGrath, registered nurse, sexual health educator. To learn more, go to my website, maureenmcgrath.com, or tune into my podcast, Nurse Maureen's Health Show, available on Spotify, iTunes, or wherever you listen to your favorite podcast. And once again, to order your Viva Senna, go to savvy-viva.com. And now, for a limited time, if you use the code MM20 at checkout, you'll get special pricing on your Viva Donna. Have fun, ladies. Thank you.